Okay, good morning students. Today we see some problems regarding basis. Base में some problem को approach दो. Come to a problem. Find a basis for r power 4. Write 3, 2, 5, 4, 6, 3, 5, 2 as numbers. That means the like problem we already see in our previous in earlier classes or earlier videos. We already see for a vector so alpha and beta in R cube, find out a basis which containing alpha and beta. The like problem we already see in our earlier classes. Okay. రీసెంట్గా మనం ఇప్పుడే ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లం ఒకటి చూసాం. ఆర్ క్యూబ్లో ఆల్ఫా బీటా రెండు వెక్టర్లు ఇచ్చి ఆల్ఫా బీటాలు కలిగిన ఒక బేసిస్ తీసుకురండి అని. ఓకే, ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఏ బేసిస్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ క్యూబ్ విచ్ కంటైనింగ్ ఆల్ఫా అండ్ బీటా. సేమ్ లైక్ ప్రాబ్లం. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఫైండ్ ఏ బేసిస్ ఫర్ ఆర్ క్యూబ్ విచ్ కంటైనింగ్ దీస్ టూ వెక్టర్స్. Okay, that is our problem. Now come to the solution. Consider a vector space. Here what is the vector space? R power 4. Consider a vector space R power 4. Okay, let alpha equal to, suppose these two vectors are alpha and beta. What in alpha beta anukondi. Alpha equal to 3, 2, 5, 4 and beta equal to 6, 3, 5, 2. Let alpha equal to 3, 2, 5, 4 and beta equal to 6, 3 and 5, 2. Okay. Now we already have a standard basis for R power 4. What is it? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. It is the standard basis. Okay. For that, let E1 equal to set 1, 0, 0, 0. Sorry. It is the ordered fourth tuple. Okay, E2 equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, E3 equal to 0, 0, 1, 0 and E4 equal to 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, then S equal to set E1, E2, E3, E4 is the standard basis, for R power 4. So for R power 4 it is the standard basis. Now we are going to find a basis for R cube which containing these two vectors alpha and beta by using capital S. S అనే స్టాండర్డ్ బేస్ని ఉపయోగించుకొని ఇంకొక బేసిస్ని R power 4లో మనం తీసుకుని రావాలి. ఆ బేసిస్లో ఈ రెండు వెక్టర్స్ ఉండాలి. దట్ ఈస్ అవర్ అల్టిమేట్ గోల్. ఓకే, నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ what is beta? Here beta equal to 6, 3, 5, 2. We can write, enter this ordered fourth tuple as 6 into 1, 0, 0, 0 plus 3 into 0, 1, 0, 0 plus 5 into 0, 0, 1, 0 plus 2 into 0, 0, 0, 1. So that equal to this is 6 into 1, 0, 0, 0 means E1, 6E1 plus this is 3E2 plus 5E3 plus 2 into E power 4. Enter this is beta. From this find out the value of E4. So that implies from this 2E4 equal to beta minus 6E1 minus 3E2 minus 5E3. So that implies E4 equal to 1 by 2 into beta minus 6 by 2 means 3E1 minus 3 by 2 E2 minus 5 by 2 into E3. This is E4. So here E4 is a linear combination of, here E4 is a linear combination of beta, E1, E2 and E3. Before going to that, let S dash equal to, add this beta to this set, beta, E1, E2, E3, E4 such that L of S dash equal to R power 4. Add this beta to S dash equal to beta E1, E2, E3, E4 such that L of S dash equal to R power 4. Okay. Now here from this E4 is a linear combination of the remaining vectors beta, E1, E2, E3. So now we remove E4 from S dash. Remove E4 from S dash. Remove E4 from S dash and let S double dash equal to, what is the remaining set? If we remove E4, then we get beta E1, E2, E3. So S double dash equal to beta E1, E2 and this E3. Okay. But here S double dash containing 4 vectors. We are going to found a basis for R power 4. R power 4 lo basis kavali. Mari what is the number of vectors in the basis for R power 4? 4 vectors. Okay na? Since the R power 4 is the 4th dimension, the number of vectors in the basis is 4. R power 4 lo manaku avasana basis lo unde number of vectors kuda 4 e undali. Here S double dash is also containing 4 vectors. Now if we want, then we can stop here the procedure. We called this S double dash as a basis. మన గాంట ప్రాబ్లం దీంతో ఆపేయచ్చు, ఇదే ఎస్ డబుల్ డాష్ మనం బేసిస్ అని చెప్పచ్చు. బట్ ఇన్ ద ప్రాబ్లం వాట్ హీ ఆస్క్డ్, అవర్ రిక్వైర్డ్ బేసిస్ కంటైనింగ్ దీస్ టూ వెక్టర్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్ఫా అండ్ బీటా. బట్ హియర్ in S double dash there is no alpha, only beta is there. Now we are going to find another basis which is containing 4 vectors. Among that 4, 2 vectors are alpha and beta. ఓకే, మనకి ఇదే ఆన్సర్ కాదు, బేసిక్ ఇందులో కూడా మనకి 4 వెక్టర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, సరిపోతుంది, దీన్నే బేసిస్ అని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. కానీ మనకు కావాల్సిన బేసిస్లో ఇక్కడ ప్రజెంట్ బీటా ఒకటే ఉంది, మనకు ఆల్ఫా కూడా కావాలి. ఓకేనా, దట్స్ వై వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు కంటిన్యూ. లెట్ ఎస్ డబల్ డాష్ ఈక్వల్ టు బీటా E1, E2, E3. క్లియర్లీ this S double dash is a subset of S dash. S double dash is a subset of S dash, and in S dash E4 is the linear combination of the vectors of S double dash. ఇందులో S dash లో ఉన్న E4 అనేది S double dash లోని ఈ వెక్టర్స్ యొక్క లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ అవుతుంది. దట్ వై L of S double dash equal to L of S dash. That why L of S double dash equal to L of S dash. Already we have L of S dash equal to R power 4. Therefore L of S double dash equal to R power 4. Okay, so L of S double dash R power 4. Now come to alpha. We already say from beta we can continue the procedure from beta. Now I come to alpha. We have alpha belongs to R power 4. Now add this alpha to S double dash. S double dash ni vectors ke alpha kalapandi. Let it be S triple dash. Suppose S triple dash equal to alpha, beta, E1, E2 and E3. S triple dash equal to alpha, beta, E1, E2 and E3. Okay, please observe here S triple dash containing 5 vectors. Okay na, we are going to find a basis for R power 4. R power 4 lo basis kanukuntunamu. Okay, we already know basis is the largest linearly independent set in R power 4. R power 4 లో linearly independent sets లో largest అంటే పెద్దదే basis. If any set containing more than 4 vectors, it is not Li. Okay na? So but here in S triple dash containing 5 vectors, that why S triple dash is not Li. So clearly S triple dash is not Li means LD, linearly dependent. Okay, linearly dependent. Okay, we have S triple dash is LD. So LD means the linear combination of S triple dash is 0, but all the scalars are not 0. So write down the linear combination of vectors of S triple dash. Okay, so there exist scalars. Suppose there exist scalars A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 belongs to R such that A1 alpha plus A2 beta plus A3 E1 plus A4 E2 plus A5 E3 equal to 0 bar. Why? Because what is the set S triple dash? Alpha, beta, E1, E2, E3. Okay, since here S triple dash is LDA, the linear combination of these vectors are 0, but a1, a2, a3, a4, a5 are not zeros. AIs are not zeros. Here AIs are not zeros. So that imply, just simplify, a1 into here alpha means 3, 2, 5, 4. 3, 2, 5, 4 plus a2 into beta means 6, 3, 5, 2 plus a3 into e1 means 1, 0, 0, 0 plus a4 into e2 means 0, 1, 0, 0 plus a5 into e3 means 0, 0, 1, 0 equal to, here 0 bar means 0, 0, 0 and 0. Okay. Now add component wise addition. 3a1 plus 6b2 sorry 6a2 plus 1 into a3 plus a3 plus 0 into a4 plus 0 into a5 zeros, comma next second coordinates 2a1 plus 3a2 plus 0 into a3 plus 1 into a4 plus 0 into a5 0. Next come to the third coordinates 5a1 plus 5a2 plus 0 into a3, 0 into a4 plus 1 into a5. Next last one 4a1 next plus 5a2 plus 0 into a3 plus 0 into a4 plus 0 into a5 equal to 0, 0 and 0 and 0. Okay. Now equating the four coordinates, we get 3a1 plus 6a2 plus a3 equal to 0. This is the first equation. Next 2a1 plus 3a2 plus a4 equal to 0. This is second equation. Next 5a1 plus 5a2 plus a5 equal to 0. This is third equation. And the last one is 4a1 plus 5a2 equal to 0 bar. Okay na? 4a1 plus sorry 2a2 4a1 plus 2a2 equal to 0 bar. From this, if we cancel 2 on both sides, 2a1 plus a2 equal to 0. So that implies here a2 equal to minus 2a1. a2 equal to minus 2a1. Now substitute a2 value in 1, 2, 3 equations. Okay na? Put a2 equal to minus 2a1 in 1, 2, 3. In 1, 2, 3. Okay. We get. Okay. So a2 equal to minus 2 in 1, 2, 3 equations. So from first equation we have 3a1. 1 implies 3a1 plus 6a2 plus 6 into here a2 means minus 2a1 plus a3 equal to 0 plus a3 equal to 0. That implies 3a1 minus 12a1 means minus 9a1 plus a3 equal to 0. That means here a1 equal to minus a3 by 9. a1 equal to minus a3 by 9. Next from second equation we have 2a1 plus 3a2 plus 3 into here again a2 means minus 2a1 plus a4 equal to 0 that implies 2a1 minus 6a1 means minus 4a1 plus a4 equal to 0. From this a1 equal to minus a4 by 4. Again here a1 equal to minus a4 by 4. Or no need to write these values. Directly from here a3 equal to 9a1. Okay. Here also from this a4 equal to directly 4a1. Okay. Now from third equation 3 implies 5a1 plus 5a2. 5a1 plus 5 into again a2 means minus 2a1 plus a5 equal to 0. So that implies 5a1 minus 5a1 means minus 5a1 plus a5 equal to 0. From this, a5 equal to 5a1. 5a1. Okay. Please observe, we have here a2 equal to minus 2a1. Next, a3 equal to 9a1, a4 equal to 4a1, a5 equal to 5a1. Okay. In the linear combination, above linear combination, from all the scalars, okay, one is a2, a3, a4, a5. If you observe, a2, a3, a4 and a5, these are all linear combinations of a1. These are all linear combinations of a1. Okay. Therefore, remove the last vector of S double dash is E3. Remove E3 from, we already have S triple dash equal to alpha, beta, E1, E2, E3. Now remove E3 from S triple dash, therefore we get a set alpha, beta, E1, E2. So here also this set containing 4 vectors, which is clearly a basis of R power 4, which is our required basis of R power 4, which contains the vectors alpha and beta, Okay, this is the end of the problem. Okay, see another problem. Show that the vectors 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 5, 3, 4 of R cube of R do not form a basis of R cube of R. ఈ మూడు వెక్టర్స్ కూడా R cube కి బేసిస్ కాదు మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, కమ్ టు ద సొల్యూషన్. కన్సిడర్ ఏ వెక్టర్ స్పేస్ R cube of R. Next, let or given vectors are let alpha equal to 1, 1, 2, beta equal to 1, 2, 5 and gamma equal to 5, 3, 4. So let with మూడుని s అని సెట్ పెట్టుకోండి. Let s equal to set alpha, beta, gamma. Now we are going to prove this capital S is not a basis of R cube. Do not form a base అడిగారు. ఓకేనా? So for that, what is the first condition of basis? Linearly independent. So capital S is Li. To prove capital S is Li or not, we are going to find out the determinant of the matrix, as we know. Okay, let first of all consider a 3 by 3 matrix quotient which containing 3 rows as 3 vectors. First vector 1, 1, 2 is the first row. Second vector 1, 2, 5 second row, and the last vector 5, 3, 4 is the last row. Now find out the value of determinant. Capital A, what is it? 1 into AD minus BC, 4 2s are 8 minus 15 minus 1 into AD minus BC, 4 minus 5 are 25 plus 2 into AD minus BC, 3 minus 10. So that equal to 8 minus 15 minus 7, 4 minus 25 minus 21 minus plus 21, 3 minus 10 minus 7 into 2 minus 14. So minus 14 minus 17 minus 21 plus 21, that equal to 0. But here determinant of A equal to 0. If the determinant is 0, then the set is LD, not Li. Okay na? So since det A equal to 0, comma capital S is linearly dependent, the first condition of basis is failed. Basically we want to show, if we want to show capital S is a basis, S must be Li. S మనకి బేస్ అవ్వాలంటే అది Li అవ్వాలి, కానీ ఇక్కడ LD అవుతుంది. So hence no need of second condition. We can write directly capital S is not a basis of R cube of R. Okay.